This flat twist hairstyle is so simple to do, and it's low manipulation and will help with length retention during these colder months. Check this out. I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I have my hair separated into 4 sections, and I'm going to be using the African Pride curling cream and curl defining gel. So 2 simple products and a simple hairstyle. So right now I'm working with the first 2 sections, and I already applied the curl cream to all 4 sections before I start mapping out my hair. So I'm going to go for a slanted side part this go around. I wanted to switch it up because I'm always doing like a middle part or like a deep C-curve side part. So I thought this slanted side part would look really cute with this hairstyle. Then I'm going to be applying the gel to the entire section, and then I'm going to go in and start mapping out how many twists I'm going to do. So in the first or the front 2 sections, I'm actually going to map out 3 medium, or I would kind of call these like medium size flat twists. And I'm just going to make sure I comb in that gel really well so that all the hair is coated. And so I'm going to go down in vertical parts and make the section about that big for the flat twist. And I do it this way because I kind of want it to be somewhat even all the way around my head in terms of the size of the twist. So right now I'm just kind of like mapping it out and separating the section before I go into actual flat twist. Then I'm going to take my denim brush and just further detangle and make sure that section is as smooth as possible. And I'm literally just simply flat twisting it down. I feel like I have another video on my channel in depth of how to flat twist, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And as I move down each twist, I do kind of go back in with the denim brush to just further smooth it out to make sure that the twists are very neat and evenly detangled all the way down. And don't worry about the product seeping through. I just simply take the towel and kind of soak it up. And I like to finger coil it at the ends just to kind of help it curl up. Now, prior to the style, I had my hair straightened for about 2 weeks. So the curl pattern is acting a little funny, but this usually happens to me after I straighten my hair. It almost takes like 2 to 3 washes for it to like bounce back. But I know I didn't want to do my hair a lot in the next 2 weeks, so I wanted to go with this simple flat twist. Now this could also act as a flat twist out. So if you keep this same mapping technique and just untwist it once they are fully dry, you'll have a beautiful flat twist out. But in my case, I didn't want to mess with my hair at all, and I just wanted to keep it very moisturized and sealed up for length retention. And so now I'm going to work on the back section, and for the back I'm doing 4 flat twists going down vertical parts.
This is a homage beat.
Then once I'm done with all the flat twists, I'm just going to go in and kind of fix my edges up with some edge control, or you can go in with that same gel and just kind of lay it how you want it to lay down. And then I'm just going to simply go to bed, tie it down with a simple satin scarf. Honestly, you can sit on the hairdryer too and let it dry all the way if you want, but they are definitely going to shrink up. But this is how it looks in the back going down, and then the front section. And I'm obsessed with this little slanted part. I think this is so cute. But again, this can also act as a flat twist out, or you can just let it air dry and style it the way that I'm about to show you. These are how my twists look the next day. They are fully dry and they have shrunken up quite a bit. But the very first hairstyle that you could do is just simply gathering all the flat twists and putting it in a low bun. Very simple and elegant, out of your face. And also you can dress this up with some statement jewelry as well. Now my favorite hairstyle is putting it in these 2 space buns and leaving a piece out in the front, or you can leave 2 pieces out in the front. I kind of do this with my boho braids as well, so I love doing that hairstyle. Now this is about a week into the hairstyle, so if you don't tie it up every night or just simply sleep on a satin pillowcase, it will get a little bit of frizz, but no worries, it's very easy to fix this. Just kind of showing you how the ends look after being put in a bun for the past 2 days. So I'm going to just simply refresh it And really just make sure I refresh the ends, because those are the parts that kind of unraveled or just got a little dented up. So you're going to need some water, some daily mist or leave-in with a water mist, and some oil. And I'm going to just take the water and just spritz my hair and kind of like reactivate the products that are already on the hair and smooth that water in. This also kind of helps relax some of the dents that you had in your hair when you're ready to switch up to a different style. And so I'm just, again, going to spray that water all over my head, including the ends. Then I'm going to take that strengthening mist. And again, you can just put a little bit of leave-in conditioner or the same curl product that you put on your hair in a spray bottle with some water and reactivate and spritz your hair down with this. I'm definitely focusing on the ends and just kind of recoiling them so that it'll have a little curl at the end. And this also just kind of adds a little bit more moisture back into the hair as well. Then finally, I'm going to go in with some strengthening hair drops, and I'm just going to apply this all over my hair for some shine, but also focusing on the ends to kind of seal in that moisture. And I'm going to go in and rub that on my scalp for some scalp therapy as well. Like I said, this is a perfect protective hairstyle that's very low maintenance, that you really only have to refresh about a week into the hairstyle, and it's great for colder months. So this is what you want to focus on when you want to grow your hair out for some length retention. And then all I simply do is tie it back down, just to kind of tie down those frizzies for about 30 minutes, style myself, and then boom, take it back down, and it looks literally refreshed. And then I'm going to put it in my favorite style, which is those two space buns with the little piece left out. And that is it, you guys. A very low manipulation hairstyle that can act as a twist out or just a simple flat twist look that you can style in multiple different ways. So let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below. Definitely something that you want to keep on your Pinterest board or in your style lookbook for 2025. And then again, all you simply do too is just touch up your edges. That's it. This hairstyle honestly could probably last about 2 weeks. So make sure you guys check this out. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And I will talk to you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.